Alright, top of the morning, we back. Hope you're having a good day, good week. We in here in this education, so lock in with me.
We gotta do cabin air focus, right?
Oh, Damn, you trying to trick a Rooney. You trying to trick a Rooney. You see that? But the difference though. Damn, this is hard. Damn, I knew it was one of the two. For real. Nah. Dang, everybody got it.
That's it. Come on, man. So the point is that when you're looking at the interactive diagram, you're looking at a reproduction of the OE diagram in Mitchell terms. Okay, you feel what I'm saying? So the diagram has been redone. They've gone back over it and they've standardized it. That means that in Mitchell or in your manuals, when you look at a Porsche diagram, a GM diagram, a Ford diagram, Nissan, whatever it is, they're all going to be standardized when you're looking at the one that looks like yours. Sometimes though, you want to look at the OE. So I have the OE for original equipment, the manufacturer's diagram up so that you can see the difference, okay? So if you see one like this, all right, or you see one like the one that you have, now you know the difference. One of them has been standardized and been gone through and rewritten, and the one that I'm looking at is provided by the manufacturer. That means that every manufacturer's diagram is going to look a little bit different when you're looking at the manufacturer. All right, cool. Now, have we found the blower motor resistor? I hope so, okay? So what I want you to tell me, folks, number one, and it's the same thing as on this one here, folks. How many speeds? So what I want you to see, let's do this. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint. I'm going to show you the control head. So the next thing I want you to find where the mode switch is. And guess what this control head looks like, folks? Poof, right there.
Found it.
On the diagram, find the mode knob, the mode switch. No, that is the blower motor switch right there. That's the resistor. That's the switch for the blower motor. You're on the AC diagram. Come on, I'm going to simplify this for you. Okay, you need to go to the heater. So let's get out of this. Let's get out of this one. Figure 1 is only heater. I only want you to look at the heater. We're not adding air conditioning. So there's a difference, folks. What you're looking at. Find the control head. Find the control head in the diagram. You ought to have 2 knobs on there, folks.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay, okay, Chris has got it. You're going to have an illumination bulb for your light,
the same one.
and you're going to have 2 switches with multiple positions. What 2 switches do you see on there? It's going to correspond to a couple of these knobs on the control head.
Yes.
Which ones do you have? Which knobs do you have? Here's a hint. You're not
Floor.
going to see the temperature. So it's the infinite control, meaning variable blower control. We're on the top here. So look what happens, all right? There is no resistor anymore. So how is it controlled? Look, you got your ground right here, front variable blower control, right side of dash, i.e., AKA the blower motor module. The blower motor module, right side of dash, all right?
What is it?
Right here, front variable blower control.
Oh, so we're doing the one with the V
Yeah. Well, I got to step up in tech, guys. We're going to step up in technology here. You guys want to work on the latest and greatest gear? This is what it looks like, except this is the easy stuff. Okay? This is easy. Right? Front variable blower motor control, right side of dash. Where's the resistor? Here's a hand that doesn't have one. So here's the story, folks. The front air control. What is that? The front air control.
The mode and the blower.
Our control head.
Yeah.
Our climate control module. That's it. Folks, it's not vacuum control. Now we stepped up to electronic and computer control. Even if it's manual, it's still computer control, folks. Because they want to out of the bank. So one sensor failure on one car could throw one code. Another sensor failure on the same car, or the same sensor on another car might throw another code. Okay? These are the codes that your climate control failed. The only way to figure them out is to do a code scan. So we're going to do that downstairs when we do our cabin air filter.
Oh shit!
Good morning.
What's up, Unc?
What's up? Oh, I got next.
What the fuck is going on?
You bitch. How we doing?
I'm good.
Talking about some forklift internship over there. Bro. Talking about some forklift internship.
Some forklift?
I mean that shit. I would never believe that you're a fighter.
That's why in the morning, if I wake up in the morning and I got to, I'll be late. I gotta go. I gotta go, bro. I'm not gonna die in school.
I look like a fighter, that's what I said.
I be enjoying my
I'm working on it.
I don't even eat in the morning.
I was thinking about
Damn, CV?
Should I come here earlier? I don't know Hicks experience. But that day I was like, you know what, I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying my time.
I do that always in the
There you go.
And then putting it back, you just go up.
Know that? Sometimes you speak and you hurt. You ever got to touch somebody? You know what I'm saying? It's your voice and shit.
What is it happening?
Oh.
What you gotta do?
Just put it, bro. It don't matter. I was like, what?
Nah, I just want to show him if you was.
So what I want you to press the automatic button. Put it in auto mode. Okay, cool. Alright.
It disabled the front.
It disabled our defrost.
Yeah.
And it changed the mode. Okay.
Floor mode.
And it also activated the air conditioner.
I can confirm
No,
this
the
one.
AC had been on.
Okay, well I think the automatic does actually do that. I think it does.
Can you try it
Right?
again?
No, not yet. Okay?
This one.
Because you could change things when it's an automatic a little bit depending on where you are, right? Now, I want you to press recirculation. I'm coming. I want you to press recirculation. Okay, it's in recirculate mode. Okay? Now, I want you to go over to defrost. Press defrost, put it back in defrost mode. What happens recirculate?
It disabled.
Why?
Because
Now,
Pulling air
pulling
from the
from outside
to
to heat the front
well,
windshield.
no, it's not. No, it is pulling air from the outside, but there is a reason. Look. There is a reason that's typical of why we can't sometimes put defrost and recirculate on at the same time. And I want you all to think about a specific reason for why that might be. That it is actually impossible.
Probably because
Wait,
The fresh air, the cowl vent, is going to open up a pathway to another vent, okay? And sometimes, folks, so sometimes which vent is closest to the cowl vent? Okay, and so we can't go into defrost and recirculate at the same time because recirculate brings air in through the
cowl vent.
not the recirculate brings air
Oh, from the inside of the car.
from which vent? From the defrost vent. It's trying to use the same vent.
Right, it
And
can.
that's why in some cars, not all. For example, the Xterra, not the same. It's actually got a vent under the dash.
So it's the
Okay?
setup.
So I just wanted you guys to see that, to think about it. Some manufacturers won't let you go and defrost recirculate because they want outside air to be the one to defrog the windshield or whatever, okay? But a lot of cars, that was how they set it up. The vent. So what I would like to do, let's verify that. Let's. No, wait. You guys, we need to go upstairs.
Oh, you're recording. Why, hello there. Ah! Say hi to the camera. Ah! So, I'm about to go home for the day. I just want to say thank you for 40 subs. I appreciate y'all. On the grind, getting to it. Yep. Trying to learn, trying to fix these cars. Thank y'all. Bye.